Hi, I'm Jeff Hammock, founder and CEO of MechOptix Incorporated in Huntsville, Alabama. Huntsville is where Wernher von Braun and his rocket team built the rocket that took us to the moon. My business is to apply our company's optical, mechanical, and electrical engineering skills to improve the safety of automobiles and bicycles. We are launching 2 revolutionary bike lights based on our design patented technology that will increase safety and save lives. The StopTix automotive brake lamp and the StopTix bicycle brake light. I am seeking $175,000 to close a $250,000 convertible note at an 8% interest with a 20% convertible discount rate. We've already raised $75,000 to produce 1,000 lamps. This seed money will pay for lower cost turnkey manufacturing of 2,500 units of automotive brake lamps and 2,500 bicycle brake lights in Asia. So we will be able to build sales and ramp up to our next level of funding. Brake lights can kill. In the US alone, we have 2 million rear-end collisions annually, almost 1/3 of all accidents. Brake lights only work when you apply the brakes. If you downshift a manual transmission, brake lights will not illuminate. Downshifts, powertrain malfunctions, front-end collisions, all suddenly slow down the vehicle, but the brake lights don't come on. This often results in being rear-ended. Illuminating the brake light just 1 second earlier at 55 miles per hour gives the following driver 80 feet more to avoid rear-ending you. Motorcycles are particularly vulnerable, but bicycles don't have brake lights at all, until now. Every motorcyclist we've talked to has either been rear-ended or knows someone who has been hit from behind. They feel it's only a matter of time. Riding a motorcycle or bicycle without our brake light will be like riding without a helmet. While it is not legally required yet, anyone concerned with safety will want to use one. Our full patent for the StopTix automotive lamp was issued in May of 2016. This patent also covers integrating StopTix technology into replacement lights for heavy-duty trucking. We filed a provisional patent for the StopTix plug-in module for the trucking market, which will turn any LED brake light into an automatic brake light. We will start selling 1,000 automotive brake lights this September. We are delighted with how it works, and so far everyone who has tried it wants one. We will start making money this September and anticipate $33,000 in revenue by year end. By closing our convertible note, we will be able to launch lower cost production in Asia for both our automotive lamp and our bicycle light. The automotive brake lamp simply replaces the brake light bulb in the majority of the 1 billion vehicles on the road globally. This is the first automatic brake light that does not require any modification to the wiring of the vehicle. It uses a 3-axis micro-electromechanical system accelerometer to measure G-force, the same accelerometer that's in your smartphone. Our triggering algorithm filters out road vibration to avoid false illuminations. Our lamp recharges in under 3 seconds when you apply the brakes, then runs for 2 hours between charges. This is our StopTix automatic brake lamp for automotive. It replaces the 1157 tail brake light bulb. You can put this in cars, motorcycles, tow-behind trailers, tractor-trailer trucks. When you get it from your online order or from your parts counter, it's not on, it's not running because it doesn't have any power yet. The first time you apply the brakes, it charges the lamp, and now it can run on its own power and self-illuminate based on a deceleration G-force measurement. Here's the tail light, brake light. We charge it for 3 seconds, Now it's fully charged and can turn itself on when it measures a rapid deceleration. I thought of this product almost by accident, literally. On Memorial Day weekend in 1996, I rode my motorcycle from Huntsville, Alabama to Washington, D.C. for the Ride to the Wall event to commemorate POWs and MIAs. My wife followed me in an SUV. She almost rear-ended me, more than once. We'd only been married a year and I couldn't believe she was already trying to kill me. So we talked about the close calls. Turns out it was my fault. I was downshifting to slow down, and of course the brake light did not illuminate. We then realized there must be a huge safety market for motorcycles, but the technology wasn't there yet. In 2015, we got 1,500 in pre-sales. Projected sales for 2016 are 33,000. Our projected lifetime sales of 800,000 units in 5 years will be 18 million. That's just in the US market alone. I have invested 120,000 in the business so far. While this is arguably an affordable loss, my fallback position is to try to sell the patent to an existing automotive product manufacturer. As an optical engineer in the defense industry, I've always had to think outside the box. In defense, my work was to prevent attacks of low probability but devastating impact. Moving to the road safety industry means that I can develop sensors and lighting that will prevent collisions and save lives every day. Offering a deceleration-triggered brake light remedies a problem we have had for 100 years. So, to recap my entrepreneurial journey so far, we recognized the opportunity 20 years ago. The off-the-shelf component technology finally arrived 4 years ago. So I started the company. 2 years later, I quit my day job because we developed the first working prototype, took it to a trade show, and got an overwhelming response. Next to our 15-year-old twins, MechOptix is like a third child to my wife and me. My ultimate goal is to position MechOptix for acquisition. Meanwhile, we have an exciting product line developing that I know will increase safety and save lives on the road, both here and around the world. I'm a gearhead and engineer. I'm into European import tuner cars, muscle cars, motorcycles, pickup trucks, and EV technology. But far more interesting is the fact that there is this huge opportunity to improve road safety that hasn't been exploited. My biggest challenge so far has been raising money for manufacturing. I am super connected to my customers, but not well connected to sources of wealth. As an engineer, it is frustrating to come up with a utility patent to increase safety and save lives and not find financial partners to bring it to market. That's why I'm here. My wife, my family, my friends are all excited to be on this journey with me. Can you imagine that Huntsville, the Rocket City, will also be known throughout the automotive and bicycle world for introducing a life-saving technology as simple as an automatic brake light? Please join us for the ride of your life. Thank you for listening to my story.